So I'm going to be going over the benefits of why you'd want to send your part in for repair. Pricing. Pricing on a lot of these remanufactured units actually is hundreds if not thousands of dollars. Availability. A lot of these dealerships actually have a back order on units that are actually because of the age or because of shortage. Right now it may be months of back order. And lastly, since it's your original part, you know that it's going to be plug and play when you get it back from us. When you buy a remanufactured or a used part, you may have to get VIN encoding to actually get it to work in your vehicle. Otherwise, your vehicle might not start. And when you buy a used unit, it's not a guaranteed that everything's going to be working on it. When we get it here, we'll make sure we'll do a full functional test, test everything and then put a 1-year warranty on it and mail it back to you. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave some comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And if you want to have any more information discussions, join our community forums.upfix.com. See you next time.